Hello, good evening, or morning, or night, depending wherever you are. So today I'm going to start a project I wanted to start for a while. And I call it, one engine a month. And first, a short introduction of myself. So my name is Stefan. I go by the handle of Steep Sheep pretty much everywhere online. I'm a game designer and developer. 27 years old. I live in Vienna, in Austria. And I invite everyone to join me with this project. Watch me, help me, start your own stream, whatever. So, and why did I decide to start? So, for quite a while I wanted to learn more game engines, because until now I only have experience in Unity, and I always wanted to learn more. Another thing I wanted to do was getting into Twitch streaming, and the third thing was participating in one game a month. So, at one point I came to the conclusion, why not just join all three together and do a Twitch stream of me learning new game engines every month, and thus making one game in a new engine every month. So I kind of explained that. I'm learning the engine. I will share my progress on Twitch, and I always plan to upload the source files of the games and share them with everyone. So, and the exact plan on how I'm going... So which engines? I already have made a list of different engines. Like, I have a list of like 28 engines, and I have like favorized like 14 of them who I really want to learn, and they range from very basic low level to very high level engines, free paid open source engines, very general engines where you can make any game, to very specialized engines who can only make specific games. So a very broad range of engines. So, and what I'm planning to do is, at the start of the month, I'm announcing what engine I'm going to use. I'm introducing the engine, like what I found out, the pricing, what platforms it runs on, what platforms you can publish to, and stuff like that. Then I'm sharing like how I am going to learn it. I'm not going to stream the whole process of learning the new engine. I think it's rather boring if people will just watch me watching other tutorials and reading documentation and stuff. I'll just learn it by myself, play around with the engine, and twice a week I plan to share my progress on Twitch every Sunday and Thursday at 7 p.m. Central European summertime now, because it's summer. In winter it will be Central European time. And I will continuously upload the source files as I change the project, as I work on a game. And I will just repeat every week, keeping you updated on what my progress is, what I want to do, listening to your feedback. Yeah, and at the end of the month I'm going to like give a conclusion, like what were my problems, what did I struggle with, what did work out really well, and yeah, and start again with the announcement of the new next engine. So this month I was very indecisive which engine to use. So what I really like to do, if I cannot decide, I roll a dice. So that's the picture is actually the dice I used and I rolled. That's why the picture's so blurry. And yeah, number 5, it turned out to be stencil. So the information I gathered so far, it has 3 different tiers, like $0 or for free, or $99 or $199 per year. The difference is $0 only exports to Flash. For $99 you can also export to desktop, and for $199 you can export to all the platforms: iOS, Android, desktop, Flash, and they also have a beta for HTML5. It's available for Mac, Windows and Linux. It's basically it focuses on 2D, and the main part is like drag and drop, intuitive, and you don't have to code if you don't want to. And if you want to code, you can do it in Haxe. I don't know if that's the right, or Hakes. I don't know the pronunciation. And that's an open source toolkit. And yeah, we'll probably look into that later. So I will just check out the website for a second. I already downloaded it. So that's the website. So, and I also already installed it. So that's how it looks on your desktop, at least on Windows. I don't know if it will probably be similar on other platforms. And so, and now, so my plan is, I found out you have like different types of guides online, like books, videos, and crash courses. I decided to start with doing crash courses, so I will, until Sunday, I will start checking out these crash courses, and I will also check out a YouTube playlist. This one about doing a basic platformer. I will share the links in a second. So you should find a link to a Google Doc now where I already put the links and the general information about the stencil engine there, the link to the a playlist I'm going to look into. It's a platformer tutorial. I'm not going. Maybe I'm going to make a platformer, but that doesn't, only because I look at a tutorial. It's not me. It doesn't mean that I'm going to look to make a platformer. And yeah, that's basically it already. The introduction. What I'm planning to do. I'm super excited to learn new stuff, and I hope you guys will check it out, join me, and yeah, see you on Sunday at 7 to see what I could find out and how my progress is coming along. So enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.